Yeah. Mom, run.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna get me. Ah! Why is it chasing me?
Run.
I think I can outrun it.
But can you outrun it?
I don't know.
Down on your head.
It's seriously chasing me.
I know
Somebody take it! Ah! Ah! Bonnie is held captive in the car. She can't get out because of that stupid little bird. It's right there, Bonnie. It's coming after me. It sees me. It's going after Brogan. Oh, run, Brogan, run!
It's still here. It's right by the front tire.
It's now by the front tire.
It's under the car. Marty, it's coming towards you.
Ah! It's coming towards me, she said. Where is it?
It's under the car going towards Brogan.
It's going to chase Brogan down. Brogan!
Brogan, is it by you? I can't close the statue.
Brogan, you better get ready to whap that thing with your hand when it flies at your face. I think we should all get in the car and go home, quick. It's coming. It's coming. Get in.
Mom is like running at high speed. Mom. Okay, I see it.
Where is it?
Right here. I see it.
Am I able to get out and go?
Can she get
No,
in?
no,
No.
coming at you.
It's coming over. This is ridiculous. Where is it, Brogan? I hear it.
I think it's like, oh God, it's right near me.
It's right outside Brogan's door.
I can come over? Are you sure?
It's outside Brogan's door.
It's outside your door?
If you run,
Hurry! Hurry!